Welcome to this video on series and parallel circuits. We will explore their structures and properties. What is an electric circuit? Simply put, it is a complete path through which electric current flows. Think of it like a road for cars, where the cars represent the electric current moving along the path. A basic electric circuit requires two main components: a source of energy, such as a battery, and a conducting path, typically a wire, to allow the electricity to flow. There are two main types of circuits: series circuits and parallel circuits. Let's look at how they differ. We will start with the series circuit. In a series circuit, all components are connected in one single path. This means the electricity has only one route to follow, and there are no branches. For example, in this diagram, the bulbs are arranged end to end, ensuring current follows one path. When building a series circuit with one battery and one bulb, electricity flows directly to the bulb, causing it to shine brightly. So what happens when we add another bulb to the circuit? If we add a second bulb to our series circuit, the electricity must travel through both bulbs. The battery's energy is now shared between them, and as a result, both bulbs become dimmer. So can you predict what happens when we add a third bulb? When a third bulb is added to the series, the energy is shared further. Since there is still only one path, all bulbs will appear even dimmer. So why does this reduction occur? This reduction in brightness occurs because of resistance. Each bulb resists the flow of current. Adding more bulbs increases this resistance, making it harder for current to flow. In a series circuit, the same current flows through every bulb because the electricity has only one path and cannot split. However, adding more bulbs in series increases the total resistance in the circuit, causing the overall current to decrease. Because there is only one path in a series circuit, if one bulb breaks, the entire circuit is interrupted, and all the other bulbs will go off immediately. Now we move to parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, components are connected in separate branches. Unlike series circuits, electricity here has more than one pathway to take. In a parallel circuit, components share the same nodes on each side, have identical voltage across them, and the current divides through components before recombining. Building a parallel circuit with one battery and one bulb is straightforward. Electricity flows directly to the bulb, and everything works normally. Now let's add another bulb. When we add a second bulb in a parallel branch, the current divides. However, each bulb still receives enough energy, so their brightness remains almost the same. With three bulbs in parallel, the electricity divides into three separate branches. Each bulb receives power independently, so the overall brightness remains strong. This section compares series and parallel circuits. As we've seen, parallel circuits maintain consistent bulb brightness, whereas series circuit brightness decreases as more bulbs are added. In a parallel circuit, current divides among the different branches. This means the total current is shared, and the current flowing through each individual bulb isn't necessarily the same. What happens if one bulb breaks in a parallel circuit? Because the branches are independent, the others continue working. Only the broken bulb will go off. Now, let's summarize the advantages and disadvantages of each circuit type. For series circuits, the main advantages are their simple design, the fact that they use fewer wires, and that they are generally easier to build. However, series circuits also have disadvantages. The brightness of the bulbs reduces as you add more, one bulb failure stops the entire circuit, and they are not suitable for home use. Parallel circuits offer distinct advantages, including consistent bulb brightness, independent branches for each component, and a design that is much safer for household applications. On the other hand, the disadvantages of parallel circuits include the need for more wiring, higher setup costs, and a more complex build process compared to series circuits. It is time to test your knowledge. Let's go through a few questions to see what you've learned. Question 1. Which type of circuit has only one path for electricity to flow? Is it parallel, series, open, or a battery circuit? The correct answer is B, the series circuit. It provides a single, uninterrupted path for the current. Question 2. What happens to the brightness of bulbs in a series circuit when more bulbs are added? Do they get brighter, stay the same, get dimmer, or stop working? The correct answer is C. Because resistance increases with each added bulb, they become dimmer. Question 3. In which type of circuit does electricity split and travel through different branches? Is it series, open, parallel, or a broken circuit? The correct answer is C, the parallel circuit. Thank you for following along with this video on electric circuits. Moving on to question 4. If one bulb breaks in a series circuit, what happens? Think about the path electricity takes. The correct answer is B. All bulbs go off. Because there is only one path, a break anywhere stops the entire flow of electricity. Question 5. Why are houses wired using parallel circuits? Consider the benefit of having independent operation for your appliances. The correct answer is C. Appliances work independently in a parallel circuit, so one device turning off doesn't affect the others. Question 6. Look at these diagrams. Which of these represents a series circuit? Identify the one with a single loop. The correct answer is B. This circuit shows a single, unbroken loop where components are connected one after another. Question 7. Which of these is a parallel circuit? Look for the branches that allow the current to split. The correct answer is C. This diagram clearly shows separate branches, which is the defining characteristic of a parallel circuit. Thank you for learning with Acestudents. If you found this lesson helpful, check our playlist for more. And don't forget to subscribe for updates.